Okay, this is how to solve the F70 problem on the Vaillant Eco Tec Plus and Pros. So switch on the boiler, put in the new board in. Usually when you put a new board in, you get an F70. So that F70 relates to it's not communicating, the display and the board is mismatched. So the way to solve it is press the I button and the plus button at the same time. You get a D0 displayed. You press the minus button once to get D97. Once you get the D97, you press the I button and you get a flashing 0. At that point, you press the plus button until you get 17 on the display. The 17 is the engineering code. So once you've got the 17 on the display, hold the I button down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you should get a D97 appear. Now you go to the next menu, which is you press the minus button twice, and you should get D93. Press the I button just once, and you should get the 0. This is now the DNS setting. So basically, you need to decide which boiler which boiler yours is to put it into the right mode. So it's got a number of settings. The table here, if you have a look, the table here kind of shows you, depending on which boiler you have, what the codes are for each boiler. So at this point, this is where you need to enter the codes in. So this one we're going to do as an 824. That is a code 6. So once you've entered the right code, you hold the I button down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you should get a D93. Once you get that D93, you exit the menu by pressing the I button and the plus button at the same time. And at that point, you should have a temperature on the display, and that the setting is done at this point. And at that point, the boiler should fire up. If it doesn't, just hit the reset button, and it'll go back into sequence. And as you can see, the diverter valve's moving. The pump comes on. The fan should come on next. There we go. And you get the spark at the same time. And that's the boiler in firing mode in central heating.